In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract dates in Excel, a skill that can come in incredibly handy whether you're tracking project timelines, calculating age from birth dates, or figuring out how long until a deadline. Excel, with its powerful functions, can simplify what might otherwise be complex calculations. So let's dive into how you can subtract dates in Excel. First things first, you'll need access to Microsoft Excel. For those who prefer not to install the software, Microsoft offers a fantastic online version. Start by navigating to the free Microsoft 365 online website, where you can access Excel alongside Word, PowerPoint, and more, all for free. It's a great resource for individuals or businesses looking to use Excel without the need for software installation. Once you're on the website, you will need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. This step is crucial because it grants you access to Excel Online and saves your work to OneDrive, allowing for easy access from any device anywhere. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. It's important to type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. This could be your personal, work, or school email. Getting this step right ensures that your work saves correctly and that you can easily retrieve it later. Next, after entering your email, click on Next. This will lead you to another screen where you may need to input your password or complete additional verification steps based on your account security settings. Microsoft takes security seriously, so follow any prompts to ensure your account remains secure. Now that you're signed in, it's time to start working with dates in Excel. For our example today, we'll use a sample spreadsheet that you can easily follow along with. If you're setting up your own spreadsheet, the process will be quite similar. Access the example by clicking on the link provided in the tutorial, which will take you directly to a sample Excel file on OneDrive. In Excel, enter or navigate to the worksheet where you want to perform the date subtraction. Click on an empty cell where you'd like the result of the date subtraction to appear. This is where we'll input our formula. For the purpose of our example, let's say you're calculating how many years have passed between two dates. Type the formula =datadiff, F45, F2, cell Y, directly into the cell you've selected. Here's a quick breakdown of the formula. Datadiff is the Excel function used for calculating the difference between two dates. F5 and F2 represent the cell references for the start date and the end date respectively. And Y tells Excel that you want the result in years. Keep in mind you can replace Y with M for months or DOL for days, depending on what you need. After typing in the formula, press enter. Excel will automatically calculate the difference between the two dates based on your formula criteria and display the result in the selected cell. And there you have it, a straightforward way to subtract dates in Excel, allowing you to calculate the difference between two dates in the format of years, months, or days. This can be incredibly helpful for various applications, from personal project management to professional analytics. Remember, the key here is understanding how the datadiff function works and how you can customize it to fit your specific needs by modifying the cell references and units Y, M, or D. With practice, this will become second nature and you'll be able to perform these calculations effortlessly. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and demystified the process of subtracting dates in Excel. Excel's powerful features make it an indispensable tool for managing and analyzing data. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to handle any task that involves date calculations. So go ahead, give it a try and see what you can discover and accomplish with your newfound Excel skills.